But what about you ladies out there? It's an innovative surgery technique available right here in Houston. A local doctor is using brand new technology to offer a procedure for women who are uncomfortable with the way their backsides look. Joining us this morning to talk about it is distinguished cosmetic surgeon Dr. Anthony Nico. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. It's good to talk to you. And I guess, is this an ongoing trend? This isn't to trim and make the buttocks look smaller. It's actually to give it a nice defined look, isn't it?
Yes. Buttock augmentation is the fastest growing major cosmetic procedure in the United States.
So everyone wants to have back, so to speak.
Yes. With the new fashion, the skinny jeans, and so everyone wants to show off their butt and look better.
Now you have a really interesting technique. Tell us a little bit about how it works.
Yes, we at Nico Cosmetic Surgery Center, our main focus is body contouring. We do a lot of breast augmentation and liposuction and buttock augmentation, and we really focus on techniques that leaves minimal scars. With buttock augmentation, the first thing we do is with liposuction, we harvest fat from areas of where you have unwanted fat, and then we inject it into the buttock area to give it more volume.
So you're going to look slim and trim somewhere else and then have more elsewhere.
Right. The primary focus is to have a very slim waistline, take away the saddlebags, and take away the stubborn inner thighs, and take that fat and inject it into the buttock area.
And so minimal scarring. What are you having to do to use this? Is it like one of the little cannulas that we're used to seeing when we see this procedure?
With the traditional buttock lift, you have that scar, that ugly scar that runs in the back of the lower back. With this procedure, there is no scars whatsoever.
And it sounds like downtime might be a lot better if you're not putting any type of foreign tissue into your body.
Yeah, with the traditional buttock augmentation, with the implants and the buttock lifts, I mean, you're talking about probably procedures that you have to stay overnight in the hospital, but with this, there's no overnight stay, and recovery is much easier.
And when could you be back to work? Let's say you came in on a Friday. When would you be able to get back to normal activities?
3 or 4 days off work. Really? 3 or 4 days off work.
So it's fairly quickly.
Very quick.
I think we have some before and after pictures. If we could pull those up, we would love to show our viewers now we got these from your website.
Right.
Kind of walk us through and see on the left-hand side, we see obviously that's before.
Yeah, you can see where her waistline is much more contour, and we took the fat from her waistline and her lower back actually, and took that fat and put it into the area where she needs more volume in the middle and the lower part of the buttocks. And you can see how the buttocks also lifted. So it actually lifts not only the buttocks but the lateral thighs. And what you can see is the waistline is really contoured in, so that gives her more proportion.
Now let's talk about the price of something like this. Cost is certainly always an issue for everybody.
Yes. The cost depends on how much fat you need to take from someone. Someone may need just the fat from the lower back, the waistline, the thighs, and so it varies. But for the holiday season, we are offering a $1,000 off for our Fox viewers.
Hey, that's a big deal. So what they just, when they come in, or they make a phone call and just say, I want the $1,000 off? Yes,
please visit our website, drnico.com, and call our number, and someone will help you and come in for a consultation, and we evaluate every patient on an individual basis and depending on what their needs and their desires, and we go from there.
All right, well, we will certainly put a link to that on our website, and we appreciate you being here today to talk to us about this. Now, Dr. Nico is also known for his advanced breast lift method. We'll hear more from him about his innovative no-scar procedure right after this break.
Come Monday.